Hi, how are you doing today? This video is for people who have a hard time falling asleep. We would like to show you which foods you should be eating that will help you get a good night's sleep. What you eat can also have an effect on your sleep. This is the reason why you should include foods with magnesium, lycopene, selenium, tryptophan, vitamin C, and carbohydrates in your dinner. 1. Foods high in magnesium. Foods that are high in magnesium are bananas, spinach, chard, pumpkin seeds, yogurt, dark chocolate, avocado, and figs. Eating these foods helps the body regulates the hormone melatonin and binds to the neurotransmitter chemical in the brain. 2. Lycopene. Foods that are high in lycopene help you with sleep. Watermelons, papayas, tomatoes, and grapefruits are all high in lycopene. 3. Selenium. If you are deficient in selenium, that can negatively affect your health and sleep quality. The following foods that are high in selenium are Brazil nuts, tuna, halibut, sardines, beef, turkey, and poultry. 4. Calcium. Did you know that calcium is a mineral your skeletal system loves, but it's also a natural sleep aid? It contains tryptophan, which helps you fall asleep easily into a long and restful sleep. Start drinking more milk and eat foods that are high in calcium. Ultimately, in addition to eating these foods, you should follow a strict routine for sleep time too. Keep away from any electronic devices once you are in bed and focus on your breathing to mellow your mind down.